To pay on a particular website using PayPal without a credit card. Follow these steps. Start by navigating to the website in your browser and sign into your account with the correct login details. If you don't have an account, register for one. Once logged in, browse through the available items and add the ones you want to purchase to your cart. Then, proceed to the cart section and click on the checkout option. At this point, select PayPal as your payment method, which will redirect you to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account with the correct login details. Next, choose your preferred payment method within PayPal, which can be your PayPal balance or a linked bank account. After selecting your payment method, confirm the payment on PayPal. You will then be redirected back to the website, and your purchase will be processed. By following these steps, you can successfully pay on the website using PayPal without needing a credit card.